welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So y'all, I wanted to do something nostalgia. Like when I was growing up, I used to love oatmeal cream pies. Like they used to be 25 cents at the corner store and they were so good. Like I feel like in retrospect, they weren't the best thing ever, but I was so happy to recreate this, and they obviously better now because they vegan and they're so easy and they're so good. And like, it's a little indulgent, I will say, because when I took a first bite, I was like, this is good, but this is a lot. But anyway, super worth it. So if you want to see how I made a vegan oatmeal cream pie, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. You see my baking era continuing? Like, yeah, don't play with her. She not one of them. No, but this is a cookie. It's super easy. And I feel like I'm saying that because like this recipe actually did fail last week when I tried to make it, but I realized what I did wrong. I promise it's easy. I know that don't sound reassuring, but don't worry, I promise. Okay, I fixed everything. So you're gonna be eating your little cream pie. You got it? Okay. So I'm gonna take 1 stick of vegan butter. This is 8 tablespoons. I like to use one from Trader Joe's, but the problem with the one from Trader Joe's is that like it's not measurable. And like, I don't know, I feel like in the US we don't really do a whole bunch of weighing. I feel like people do it, like bakers and stuff, like at a bakery and stuff, like they be like weighing stuff, but I feel like regular kitchen cooks, kitchen chefs, whatever, like I don't know, maybe I'm speaking for myself. So I use the Earth Balance one, and I take 1 stick of melted butter. Okay, I'm gonna take 1 cup and 1/4 of vegan brown sugar. I like the one from Trader Joe's. It's just like vegan by default. Like they don't run it through no pig bones. And then that sounds graphic, but that's what it is. And then I'm gonna take how much did I use? 3/4 of a cup. I know math. 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. Now this is on the sweeter side because I like my cookies sweet. You could like reduce it however you want to do. All right, boom. You're gonna whisk that together. I'm gonna take this vegan egg replacer that I really like. I get it from Whole Foods. It lasts mad long. Even if you're not a baker like that, it's just good to have around. Okay, I put that in there, like 2 tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons total, not whatever. Vanilla extract, flour, oats, salt, baking powder, baking soda. Like it's a cookie. You know what I'm saying? I mix it around. Don't do too much because you don't want hockey pucks. And they're gonna be in my comments like, Katie got hockey pucks on here. She lying. Who lying, Sweet Pea? No, you over there mixing it for 7 minutes. Now you mad at me. Okay. Oh, and I brought it together with some plant milk. Okay. Now if you're like, what cookie recipe got milk in it? Mine. All right. I put it in the fridge to chill for 45 minutes. I feel like you could do 30, maybe 25, but I was like working while I was doing this. So that's how long it had to be in there. Okay. I took it out. I said like 3 tablespoons worth of dough for every cookie. I got 11 cookies. I wanted big cookies. I ain't want no play. You know what I'm saying? But do whatever size you want. But I took 3 tablespoons. I rolled it to a ball. I pressed it down slightly. Put it in the oven. Boom. While it cooked, I made my little filling. So when I first was going to do this, I was like, I'm just going to make a regular frosting. But I don't really like buttercream all that much. Like I like a cream cheese moment. I'm really loving this cream cheese from Trader Joe's. I think I talked about that in my favorite products recently video that I did a couple of videos ago. So I use my immersion blender because, you know, my immersion blender is my new personality. Hello, it was my air fryer. Now it's my immersion blender. Like, come on, get an immersion blender. And I whisk it together with the immersion butter because God did not put me in this life to suffer. But it's okay if you got a whiskey, girl, whiskey. I put a little plant milk to get some stuff moving. Added powdered sugar. The recipe says 1.25 cups. But like, proceed with caution. I like stuff sweet, okay? Like, I have a sweet tooth. So if that's not what you're feeling, then that's what you're feeling. Like, okay, a little bit of vanilla extract, whisk it up. Mama, what song is that from? Stir fry. In the kitchen with looking like a stir fry. In the kitchen with looking like a stir fry. Shout out to the Amigos. Oh, I love them. Anyway, here my cookies are gorgeous, right? Absolutely stunning. Look at her. It's giving Betty Crocker. It's giving Top Chef, giving very much Iron Chef. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Okay, I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3, and I'm gonna spread the little filling inside. And I was like, ooh, with some tea, this has to be good. I had a concert last night, so I mean not a concert. I had a rehearsal last night, so I didn't get to eat a full one, but I took a bite. I was like, when I come back, I'm gonna eat this with some tea. So I'm gonna do that tonight. But anyway, here she is. She's a little girthy. You know what I'm saying? But she's gorgeous. Look at her. Are you kidding me? No, be serious. Are you kidding? Yeah. This was so good to make. It was so nostalgic, like, and also like you just have oatmeal, like you just have oatmeal cookies like around, like I don't know. It's a cool. I like having like cookies sometimes around when I'm in the moment for like an afternoon tea. You know what I'm saying? But these were so good. They were so easy. They were like buttery and soft and like period. Brought me right back on to 1998. How old was I in 1998? Okay, maybe a little later. Early 2000s. There we go. But anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know what's your favorite snack from the bodega. We didn't have bodegas in Chicago. We called them corner stores. But let me know what your favorite snack was from the corner store. I should make it. Like cosmic brownies are on my list. Zebra cakes are on my list. You know, I didn't love zebra cakes. They were a little like, they tasted kind of like Play-Doh, a little bit like, but they're on my list to recreate. But anyway, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because there's no amount of videos. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.